From scenic trails to charming towns, this guide to day trips near Lourdes offers everything you need for a memorable adventure close to home.
Remember that you have the links to all the activities in the description.
Experience a 2-hour guided tour, focusing on the sanctuary. Discover the events surrounding Bernadette Soubirous' encounter with the Virgin Mary in 1858 at the grotto, as well as the healing powers attributed to the waters there. Introducing the exclusive little train pass 2 visits, a comprehensive package for seamless exploration of Lourdes. This remarkable package offers unparalleled convenience and value for those seeking to maximize their time in Lourdes. Embark on a profound spiritual journey in Lourdes, France, a destination renowned for its historical significance and miraculous events. Guided by an experienced local expert, immerse yourself in a 2-hour immersive tour of the sanctuaries. Embark on a guided exploration of Lourdes, a revered pilgrimage site renowned for its historical significance and spiritual allure. As you traverse through the labyrinthine corridors of Lourdes Cathedral, an awe-inspiring spectacle unfolds before your eyes. Embark on a profound journey to the spiritual haven of Lourdes, utilizing the digital audio guide of the Lourdes Sanctuary. Step into a place where miracles have unfolded, faith has been renewed, and hearts have found solace.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.